Okay, move your toe rest and yoke out of the way.
All right.
All right. Now take your chuck screw,
A wrench.
chuck wrench.
And
Stick
a
at it. No, no. Stick it in
No.
there. Yep. Stick it inside the jaws. No, the jaws.
yeah.
In the
Oh,
jaws. Inside the jaws. Now close your spindle lock down. Now crack it.
And there we go.
now I do the same thing sometimes, but I use a piece of 3/4 inch by 1 inch oak about a foot long, and I open the jaws up wide enough to put that 3/4 inch in between them, and then use that as a lever.
Oh,
So I'm
okay.
And
not
that works. And that
because
right.
it
And
works
that
great,
works
and
good too.
it's easier on the jaws than that hard steel.
I
Yeah.
saw Billy Burt do that on YouTube a
Okay,
few times.
now, before you
Yep.
forget, unlock it. You have the spindle locked.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, that
But
loud
yeah,
squeak on the
I've
bottom
used
lets
the
you know
wrench
it's still
too, but
locked.
I actually prefer using the a piece of oak because it's strong enough
Yeah,
and it
using the
hurts and
wood makes
it won't hurt the jaws.
using the
Do
wood
what?
makes a lot of sense, Billy. Thank you. That's a great
Hmm.
idea.
Not a problem.
That's what we're here for.
Tips and tricks.
Demystifying wood turning,
Yep.
All part of the services.
right? Worth the price of admission.
Yeah, I've seen Billy Burt do that on YouTube many times, and it
Hmm.
works if you remember to have a piece of 3/4 inch oak by your lathe.
Right?
How long is your 3/4 inch oak?
It's about a foot long.
Cool, cool, cool.
Just
I
a
got
piece
oak in the
of
shop.
3/4 inch scrap oak, about a foot long, about an inch wide. Works great.
I got pith cutouts I can use.